Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study history for government exams. First, thoroughly understand your exam syllabus to identify crucial historical periods and topics. Next, gather all necessary study materials, including recommended textbooks, reliable online resources, and your own class notes. Finally, establish a consistent study schedule, dedicating at least 1 hour daily to history, ensuring you cover all sections systematically and effectively. To truly grasp history, engage in active learning. Construct detailed timelines and historical maps to visualize the sequence and geography of events. Develop your own concise notes and flashcards, focusing on key dates, figures, and causes. Furthermore, discussing historical topics with study partners can clarify complex concepts and highlight different perspectives, making your learning more robust and memorable for exam day. Consistent practice and revision are vital for success. Regularly solve previous year's question papers to understand the exam pattern and common question types. Analyze your performance to pinpoint weak areas, then dedicate additional study time to strengthen those specific topics. Implement frequent self-quizzing sessions, perhaps 3 times a week, to actively recall information and solidify your knowledge before the actual examination. On exam day, strategic execution is key. Begin by carefully reading all instructions and questions to fully understand what is being asked. Allocate your time wisely across all sections, perhaps spending 1 minute per mark, ensuring you attempt every question. Finally, dedicate the last 10 minutes to thoroughly review all your answers, checking for any errors or omissions before submitting your paper with confidence.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.